Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the points from the poles. This is one of the easiest question in applications of trigonometry. See, as you know, to solve such type of questions, the primary thing we have to do is to draw the figure first suitable to the data. Here I have already drawn. Let us see what does represents what. Here AB and CD are two poles of equal height. As we don't know the height, let the height of the poles be some h feet. And next one is BD is width of the road, because the poles are standing on either side of the road, and width of the road is 120 feet. And one more thing is E is a point on the road from which top of the poles are making angles of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees. You can't take the point at the middle because they are not subtending equal angles. As they are making 30 degrees, 60 degrees, you have to keep the point nearer to one pole and away from the other pole. Because if you go towards any object which is standing, the angle of elevation of the top increases. That's why you have to take the E nearer to the pole which is making 60 degrees. Okay? That is with the figure. Let us write AB and CD be the two poles of equal heights. Okay? BD be the road of width 120 feet. E is the point of observation. Point of observation. These are given. How do we solve? Let us see. Here you can see two right triangles, and you have to find the distance from the poles to this point. Distance from this pole AB to this point is, let it be some x. As sum of these two, total length is 120, then part of this length becomes 120 minus x. ED becomes 120 minus x. So what are given? Let us write first. Before that, BD is equal to 120 feet. Angles of elevation, that is angle AEB 60 degrees and angle CED 30 degrees. Let BE is equal to x feet, then ED becomes 120 minus x feet. Now let us take the right triangles. Step 2. After drawing the figure, we have to go for the trigonometric ratios to derive the equations. In right triangle, ABE, tan 60 is equal to opposite side AB by adjacent side BE. Tan 60 means root 3, AB means height of the pole H, BE means distance from the observation point, that is x. Do cross multiplication. Root 3 into x is equal to H. Let it be result 1. Next, take the second right triangle. In right triangle CDE, tan 30 tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is CD over this side ED. Tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to CD, height of the pole H, ED 120 minus 6. Do cross multiplication, then root 3 times H is equal to 120 minus X. This is the second equation. Here we have to eliminate one of the variable. Let us see what is the value of H. H is equal to root 3x. So from 1, root 3 times H means root 3x is equal to 120 minus x. Since from 1, root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 120 minus x. Minus x becomes plus x. 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 by 4. That becomes 30. So x is equal to 30. 30 means 30 feet. So distance of one of the pole from the observation point is 30 feet. Therefore, this is BE. BE is equal to x is equal to 30 feet. Then automatically out of 120, if you less 30, ED is equal to 120 minus x. It becomes 120 minus 30, that is equal to 90 feet. Now you have to find the height of the pole. H is equal to root 3 times x. We have H is equal to root 3 times x, that is root 3 times x means 30. So H is equal to 30 root 3 feet. Thus final conclusion, what we can write, therefore height of the pole is equal to 30 root 3 feet and distances of the poles from the point E are 30 feet and 60 feet respectively. This is how we can write the conclusion. Thank you. I hope you understand. See, I am explaining all the questions in descriptive manner because these are maybe useful for you in board exams. Okay? Thank you.